Yamaha XSR900 is a great modern street bike, based on the MT-09 with neo-retro design. The only thing that needs to be replaced is rubber brake lines. Our choice is steel braided brake lines HEL, which significantly reduce braking distance, improved feedback and have an unlimited service life. At the same time, I'll replace the stock handlebar with a low one, for greater comfort at high speed. The most convenient way to drain the brake fluid is to use a vacuum pump. The main disadvantage of rubber hoses is that they expand under pressure. This leads to a delay in the transfer of force from the master cylinder to the caliper. Also, the expand of the lines takes energy and reduces the maximum pressure on the brake pads. The manufacturer also recommends to change rubber brake lines every 4 years. I will assemble new brake lines from high-quality HEL components. HEL is one of the leading manufacturers of steel braided brake lines. The hoses are very flexible and resistant to extremely low temperature. Stainless steel fittings can be bent to any angle and rotated in the sleeve after crimping, thanks to the reliable triple sealing. The sleeves are also stainless and resistant to an aggressive environment. It must be crimped in a radial press. I determine the length by the OEM lines. This is the easiest way, because I don't need to make a test installation before crimping. Doing this, I take into account the new lower handlebar. The result is 5 brake lines. For cylinders, I use new stainless steel banjo bolts with copper washers. Fittings with yellow HEL tag go to calipers. Hoses should not be kinked, rubbed and be in tension. Rubber bushings are used at points of contact with motorcycle pads. After laying and fixing the lines, the banjo bolts are tightened. The assembly of the air filter and fuel tank is carried out in the reverse order. For proper damper installation, the damper and stop base are tightened first, and after the lever is fixed in the stop. The new LSL XD1 handlebar is lower than the stock one for more aggressive body position. It allows to load the fork more efficient while braking. The front master cylinder as well as the rear one automatically remove air. They do not need to be bleeded. To remove all the air, it is advisable to leave the system under pressure for a while and then bleed the air from the calipers. At the same time, this is a leak test. It is also desirable to put fresh fluid into the ABS unit. For this, you need to programmatically open the ABS valves. Finally, I install ABM grips and ends on the new handlebar, which fit perfectly the design of the motorcycle. Steel braided brake lines significantly reduce braking distance and improve feedback of the brake lever. Also, they cool better. With the HEL lifetime warranty, you never need to replace your brake lines. You can get a consultation and purchase HEL brake lines in our motorcycle workshop.